Hi everyone. My cat, Ginger, is 5 years old. He's ginger in color, of course, and quite big and strong and very independent. He likes running in the house and fighting with other cats. He likes catching birds and sometimes frogs, but he still likes the cat food the most. In fact, he's hungry now. He's always hungry. Okay, Ginger, I'm coming.